guys, it's Riley or Riley's Thrifted over on Instagram and Poshmark, and today I'm here with a special video, a Goodwill mystery bag unboxing or unpackaging. I have noticed a few of my Goodwill locations have started doing these mystery bags, and they've done it with DVDs, like 6 DVDs for $4, mystery DVDs, and clothes. So, and I've only seen tops because I would rather buy dresses. I feel like that's a better deal, but I paid $9.99 for 12 tops, and I picked a woman's size medium. I had all sizes, I think, except plus size, and I just picked medium because I felt like it's middle of the range. I feel like when you get into the larger sizes, I feel like there's a I feel like it's less likely you'll get good pieces. I don't know, this is just my thought process, and I didn't want like teeny tiny shirts, so I stuck with medium. Sorry if you hear a little background noise. I'm sitting on the porch and someone's doing yard work. So I saw these bags at checkout, and I wasn't planning on buying one because I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm just wasting my money. But I was like, you know what, it would make for a fun video. So I grabbed one to make a video. I have zero expectations for this box. So if I can find one piece to sell, I'd be very happy. I'm expecting junk. And so I asked the cashier when I was checking out, I asked this girl, I was like, so what do you think about the mystery boxes or mystery bags? And she's kind of like, and I was like, is it like stuff that didn't sell? And she didn't answer my question directly, so I don't know if this is stuff that didn't sell or I don't know what's in this bag. I feel like she was trying to talk me out of buying it. She said the DVDs tend to be better, the mystery DVDs, than the clothes, but she did say some people have found some good stuff, and who knows what that means. Like, I don't know. So the cashier was kind of iffy about these bags, so again, I'm expecting junk, but let's just get into it. So my 12 women's medium shirts, and I guess maybe we'll see. Okay, first item. Okay, so it does have a Goodwill tag on it, and Goodwill priced it at $4.99. The pattern's cute. I feel like there could be something done. Skies are blue. Okay, so if I got 12, I paid 10. I paid less than $1 per shirt. So skies are blue. This is something I would pick up at the bins. Hopefully, she said they're not supposed to be stained. This does have some pilling. This is a cute shirt. Skies are blue. That's a Stitch Fix brand, I believe. So I think there is maybe a little bit of resale value in this. If anything, I can just send it to ThredUp in a box that I'll be sending. Did I say I am taking stuff to Plato's Closet today? So if there's anything that can go to Plato's Closet, it will go. So this is we'll check comps and see where it's at, but I mean, I already have it and it is a cute style. So not a dud, the first one. This could make my money back. Next, do you guys, I'm gonna show you, I didn't really look inside the bag. Let's see. This is inside the bag. Oh, stuff is falling. Okay. It's fun. Okay. Crochet. White. Goodwill had this priced at $6.99. Okay. It's nothing. It's a dud. Kennar. I don't even know what this brand is. Okay, so this is going to be, as long as there's no stains, I'll just send this in a ThredUp. Who knows if ThredUp doesn't pay out for this. I'll just send it to ThredUp because it looks like it's in good shape. It's old, it's ugly, but ThredUp might take it. So we'll see. That's a dud. Next piece. It feels athletic-y. Oh my god, it's another dud. Okay, so this is a New York & Company blouse, size medium. It's old. You know, I wonder, okay, since this was the first item on top, I wonder if they stick like the one good thing on top, so you're like, oh, okay. Okay, so anyway, basic New York & Company blouse. Goodwill had this priced at $5.99. I've said this in many videos recently, but my Goodwill's prices have gone up. So this would have in the past been like $3.99 or $4.99, but now it's like $5.99, ridiculous. So this is another send to ThredUp. Next blouse. Here is the pattern. Oh, this looks bad. Maybe not. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Oh no, it's bad. Okay. It's not a bad style. It's apartment 9, so just not any resale value, but I'll send it to ThredUp because it's not a bad style. They had this priced at $4.99. So it's not like a bad style. ThredUp will definitely accept this. So you know what? I'll get like probably a little over $1 for this from ThredUp. Next blouse. Kenzie. Okay, well, oh, it looks like there's slight armpit staining. Hold on, sorry, I'm just trying to do a button so I can show you. Oh my gosh, they had this priced at $7.99, which is kind of crazy high for this. So Kenzie is not a brand I pick up to sell ever. I don't know if I've even ever sold it, maybe like one dress once. So Kenzie, I believe it's a Kohl's or like department store brand. So it's just a white button-up shirt, and there's, I'm pretty sure, like no resale value in this, at least for on Poshmark. So this will be another send to ThredUp. But there is like light armpit discoloration, so I don't know if ThredUp will accept that, but you know what, if I'm sending them stuff, might as well just send them the blouse and see if they'll do anything with it. Next up, okay, this is giving me, oh, it's H&M. Okay, so H&M, and it's kind of ugly. This is definitely an older piece and there's some pilling. So I think I'll throw this in my Plato's Closet pile, but I don't even think Plato's will accept this. It does have ladybugs on it though. So, and Goodwill had this originally priced at $4.99. So yeah, that's gonna be in my Plato's Closet pile, although I think they'll reject it. And if Plato's rejects it, then I'll just send it to ThredUp, even though I probably won't get any money for it. Next, here's what this looks like. Any guesses? It feels pretty cheap to me. And there's no brand tag. Is there actually no brand tag? There's no tags in this. It's cut out. There was a tag and it's cut out, and there's no brand tag. So yeah, that's great. It is, what, they had it priced at $5.99, and you know what, I might actually keep this shirt. So this is a shirt that I would wear. I am wearing a button up today. I don't have one this color. I probably wouldn't buy it at Goodwill, but since I have it, I'll keep it. And they had this unbranded shirt priced at $5.99, and I couldn't send this to ThredUp because there's no size tag. So I guess I got a shirt out of this. Next item. This is what it looks like. Okay, it feels cheap. It feels fast fashion-y. Oh, it is. It's Exhilaration. And it is a kimono. It's not ugly. Well, it's like not my style, but it's so. This will be going to Plato's Closet today. Goodwill had this priced at $5.99. It's not a bad piece. I would pick it up at the bins to take to Plato's probably, so we got that. Plato's pile. How many pieces do we have left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, there should be 4 left. Let's see. So it looks like there's about 4 left. Okay, next piece. Okay, this is a cute print, so I think something can be done with this. We'll see what the brand is. Oh, NYDJ. Okay, so this is probably not a piece I would sell. The size is a medium, but so quick explanation. I've been sending ThredUp partner boxes, so they give me direct payout for specific brands. There's more to it. You can definitely look it up. I don't really feel like going into detail. But anyway, I sent them an NYDJ blouse and they gave me $10 for it. So they priced the NYDJ blouse really high, and this one's actually a prettier print. So you know what, I'll check comps on Posh. I don't think it's worth more than like $13 or $15 on Poshmark. So this will probably be going to ThredUp, and hopefully I'll get like $10 from it. And they had this priced at $4.99 at Goodwill. I'm not actually upset by this just because I've sent ThredUp a blouse that they priced pretty high. Okay, so 3 pieces left, I think. Next up, okay, so it's a button up, and I might keep it if the brand's bad. Oh no, I won't keep it. Wait, maybe I will. Okay, let's see. It is J. Crew. It's a very old J. Crew. There's not even a date in here. So here is the tag. Super old J. Crew, size medium. And it's just a button up. Let me do one of the buttons. So since these items are priced, they had this priced at $7.99. I'm assuming these are items that didn't sell. And I guess they didn't send them to the bins. Maybe I'll pick up another one if I'm out today, because this is kind of a fun video to film. Would I keep this? I might throw this in my closet and see if I wear it. I wear a lot of button ups, so this is a good summery one. I don't know if I'll wear it though. The colors aren't really me, but we'll see. And if not, it's going to thread up because it's old J. Crew. And they'll probably give me $1 or $2 for it. Guys, 2 pieces left. 2 pieces left. Okay, let's see. Oh, this I can tell right off the bat. It's J. Crew just from seeing this. So yes, it's J. Crew. It's older. It's embroidered blouse. And let's see when it's from. I would guess like 2013 or 2012. Summer 2013. So this is a piece I would probably send to thredUP. I don't see myself listing this because it's probably worth about $15 at the most. And they had this priced at $6.99. But this is another piece I would pick up at the bins to send to thredUP. So not a dud. We haven't had no duds pretty much. I can do something with all of these. None of them are trash / redonate. Last piece. It looks questionable. It looks like a button up. Maybe it will be something good. I don't know. I'm gonna show you guys the brand first. Okay, let's see. There's the brand. You're seeing it. I don't know. Oh, I can see through the shirt. It kind of looks like a Gap tag. I was right. It's a Gap tag. Okay, and it's new with tags. So this actually looks like a men's. What side are the buttons on the shirt? This is the men's shirt. Okay, so my last item was a men's item, and this might be my first dud because I can't do anything with a men. Like, this is not a men's shirt I would sell. thredUP doesn't take men's. Too bad it's new with tags. That's a bummer. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. It was $6.99 at Goodwill. I wouldn't wear this. I can't see my dad wearing this. I can't see anyone in my family wearing this. What do I do with this? Maybe, you know what? I'll put this in my Plato's Closet pile because they take men's. I don't know if they'll take this. It's kind of not the cutest, but I'll throw it in my Plato's pile. Bag is empty. I'm not I'm not disappointed in any way because I was expecting junk, and I got stuff I can all do stuff with. Let's recap everything. This thredUP pile is probably about, depending on how much I get paid for this blouse, I'm gonna say like, let's just say they give me $1 low end for this blouse. I'm gonna say this is about $10 worth of stuff because we got the J. Crew shirt, the NYDJ blouse, the Apartment 9 blouse, the Kenzie button-up shirt, this is probably like the worst item, New York & Company shirt. Oh wait, no, this was pretty bad too. In this Ken R thing. So I feel like a few of these could easily be rejected from thredUP, but you know, they might pay me out for them and I make my money back. Then these 2 items, I don't think I'm gonna keep this. It doesn't feel like me. This one I would wear, so got 1 shirt for myself. This will probably go to thredUP. My Plato's pile is the H&M shirt, the Exhilaration kimono, and this men's Gap. And then the last item that I'm not sure, I feel like I don't see myself actually really listing the Skies Are Blue. Like, I'll check comps, but it is cute. It will either go to thredUP or Plato's. It does need some detailing though, so. Alrighty guys, that is my Goodwill mystery bag. As I said, I was expecting straight up junk, so I am not disappointed. I'm also not impressed. I mean, this is better than I thought it would be though, so I'm glad they didn't sell me junk for $10. I mean, I would not purchase any of this stuff to resell from Goodwill, but I would buy a decent amount of it from the bins to send a thread up. So that's that. Let me know if you want to see me do another one of these Goodwill mystery bag unpackaging unboxings. I actually thought it was pretty fun. I like the mystery element. If I see one, if I'm out today, I might grab another one just for another fun video. Although it does, I mean, I do have to do stuff with this now, but okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps out my channel. If you like reseller content, feel free to subscribe down below because I post reseller content pretty frequently. And that is it for today. Bye guys!